Hello, my dear students. Once again, this is your summarized teacher, Mr. Hawkar. I'm so glad to be with you again in another lesson. Um, so let's get started. In today's lesson, we will be talking about and explaining countable nouns. Countable nouns. This is Unit 16, Lesson 1, guys. Right? So the topic is foods. The topic is all about foods and different various types of snacks. Foods and snacks. As you can see in the picture, we have biscuits, olives, napkins, dates, plates, and sweets. These are the things that we need to have, I believe, in the breakfast, for the breakfast, or for the brunch. The brunch is a mini meal between breakfast and lunch. That's called brunch. Alright? Now we have these words. I'm sure you can add up more words like these. And let's listen to the second part.
Student's Book, Unit 16, Lesson 1. 2. Listen and write the numbers in your notebook. How many sweets are there?
There are 11.
How many biscuits are there?
There are 22.
How many dates are there?
There are 35.
How many olives are there?
There are 15.
How many plates are there?
There are 12.
How many napkins are there?
There are 18.
Okay, you just heard the numbers. Make sure you are going to write down the numbers on the items. This is next page. The first task is choose, ask, and answer. Let's talk about the pictures, guys, as it is written here. Now, it's written, how many sweets are there? There aren't any. There aren't any. How many napkins are there? There are 3. There are 3. It's the yellow table. That's right. Okay? Now, let me ask you this question, alright? How many plates are there? How many plates are there? You can answer me. How many olives are there? Or how many biscuits are there? Mm-hmm. Let me ask you this question. How many cups of coffee are there? Okay, very simple. Just answer as it's written here. Now the second part is a vocabulary revision. It's a vocabulary revision, not a big deal. Let's revise this. Mountain, we have mountain, river, lake, hill. Okay, now we have bridge here, trees, and forest. It says, where is the mountain? It's here. It's time to listen and read. Let's see what's happening to our episode.
Student's Book, Unit 16, Lesson 2. 1. Read, listen and say. A week later.
Did you talk to the vet?
Yes, I did. The hedgehog is fine.
Okay, everything for the barbecue is in the boxes. There are some plates and some napkins.
There aren't any biscuits, but there are lots of dates.
I've got some great news. The television company is coming to the barbecue. And 2 television celebrities want to interview you all.
Who is it?
Daniel Dean and Miranda Dean.
Alright, so obviously they have got a barbecue to make. The hedgehog is fine, and we have a new word which is celebrity. That says and 2 television celebrities want to interview you all. So guys, a celebrity means a popular person, a popular girl or man, okay? Someone that everybody knows them, okay? A famous person, a famous person. This is a TV celebrities, okay? Now, in lesson 3, we have got the sounds, okay? The task here is this: we need to match the same all sound, the same all sound. Now I'm going to read it. Make sure you match the words that are sounded exactly like the same. First we have on, hot, clothes, clothes. For which one? Football, notebook, nose, horse, goat, mountain, road, cloudy, morning. Okay, now this time let's match them together. We have clothes, clothes, nose, football, notebook. Okay, football, notebook. They have the same all sound. We have horse, morning. This is long all sound. Second one, goat, road, goat, road. We've got mountain, cloudy, mountain, cloudy. So their all sound are all the same. The second point, we need to read the passage carefully, which is about dates, and then talk about dates later on. Dates come from palm trees. You can grow palm trees in hot countries. For example, Iraq. You can't grow dates in cold countries. For example, England. People started eating dates about 6,000 years ago. In the Middle East, dates are an important food. Dates are an important food. There are more than 100 types of dates. Everyone likes fresh dates, but there are other ways of eating dates. You can make syrup from dates. You can make delicious date cookies too. Alright, that was a passage from this page, which is about dates, of course, different types of dates in different countries. The point here is that you can't grow, you can't have any dates, any palm trees in cold countries, in cold places. If you pay attention, guys, in the countries like Egypt and Gulf countries, you know, like Kuwait, okay, like Lebanon, like those countries, the Arabic countries, okay, pretty much Arabic countries, and the African countries, because those countries are actually hot, and the environment is very stable and let's say suitable for the palm trees to grow dates. And it's the matter of interest. Some people love dates, others I don't think so. Alright, that was about dates. Okay, make sure you were going to read it a couple of times. Now let's listen and sing it together. Let's have some fun.
Students' Book, Unit 16, Lesson 3. 3. Listen, read and sing.
Look at all those great big plates with lots of dates for all of us. Yummy, they are delicious. Ouch, oh dear, I forgot, silly me.
Alright, so the last page, it's about speaking time, of course, as you know. We're going to talk about restaurants, in other words, shopping, how to do shopping, and how to bargain, how to ask the questions, and about the menu. Alright, it's all about prices and things like that. Now we've got this one. How much is the chicken kebab? How much is the chicken kebab? It's 400 dinars, or you can say 400 ID, Iraqi dinars. Now let me ask you this question. How much is the pizza? hmm How much is the meat kebab? hmm How much is the tea? How much is the orange juice? Okay. How much is the salad? Now you can answer them and also tell the price, say the price out loud. And the last one is, can I take your orders? This is pretty much a situation when we go to a restaurant and order food, of course, and the waiter, that person is called the waiter, is coming to us so as to write down the names of the foods that we'd like to order. This is pretty much like this. Can I take your order? Yes, please. I want chicken and salad, please. And he says, of course. Right? I'm sure you can relate to these stories in your life, guys. Very easy. Now, for this part, I want you to have your notebook. I want you to have your notebook so as to write down these sentences in your notebooks. This is our grammatical point here, which is about countable nouns. Countable nouns. First one. See how they are used, guys. There are some books on the table. There are some books on the table. Now, as you know, the word books is countable. You can count the word like one book, two books, three books, a lot of books, okay? Very simple. And that's why we use it as some, alright? Now, the words that are in different color, in the yellow color, are called intensifiers. Intensifiers. They show or they tell how something is full or empty, or how much of that stuff is there, okay? Now, the word some is always used in a positive sentence. Alright, once again, the word some is always used with a positive sentence, not with a negative and a question sentence. No, they are wrong. Always with a positive sentence, guys. Second one, the words any are always used in a negative and a question sentence, unlike some. Alright, they're different. Look at this. There aren't any books on the table. Sorry, there aren't any notebooks on the table. Could you say there are any books on the table? No, that is wrong. Because the word any, that intensifier, is always used with a negative and a question sentence. Third one. Are there any broken devices in the store? Are there any broken devices in the store? Okay, this is correct because it's used in a question sentence. Now we have the word a lot of. A lot of. There are a lot of students in the classroom. Now, these words are used with countable nouns. Okay? In the next unit, we will be talking about the uncountable nouns. So, be patient, okay? Bear with me. We will talk about them all in detail, guys. Make sure you have written these sentences in your notebook. And thank you for watching, guys. Let me remind you once again, you have homework. Your homework is doing all the exercise in the activity book for Unit 16. Unit 16. Best regards from Mr. Hawkar. Try to stay safe and sound. And watch the video a couple of times. Bye bye, guys.